आमचे रोड आमकां न्हू फक्त आयज येयल्या रोड रोडाचेर कित्याक एज पर तेंचे पळय कितें आसा स्पेसिफायड एरिया वीज कितें आहा पळय तें ना म्हणून सो ते आमी आतां मेजरमेंट करता.
मॅडम 2-3 गोष्टी आहा. एक म्हणजे कितें रोड वीथ आणि सिमेंट्री 100 meters डिस्टन्स आसूंक जाय.
Even the spring, that distance also.
टेक्निकल रिपोर्ट पळयला.
मातशी वाट दियात.
Horizontal clearance between the proposed building and the existing electric or any other line. What is the distance? Not available meters. Not available. What is it? Any meters?
The question is to the department technical.
Yeah.
So now we only will ask for notice.
No. I'm just bringing to your notice. We have just discussed this matter. Number 2, width of the excess 15 meters. 15 meter width excess. Okay. I'm telling you briefly. I'm not. Now, see, if the property is in a vicinity within 100 meters of the cemetery, crematorium, give the distance from the boundary wall of the cemetery and crematorium. Okay, my dear. Road width, and also project to the cemetery. Huh? Road and cemetery.
Whatever other questioning was other inspection you want to do, we will cooperate.
Okay.
So I see the hard work because we will have to stick to the notice which we have issued upon your complaint. Okay? ते मासून separate separate करूया.
Oh, wire vertical पे यहाँ नहीं.
हाँ.
Wire it's within 15 meters.
All of these things are as per their.
So I'm giving a notice. Many times what happens, they pass without reading. Whatever reasons.
Questioner किती हाल झाले तर before DCP.
Madam, तुम्ही दिला आपण आमचा.
I hope by the time inspection.
I agree with you. What we are saying is, we want to bring on record.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely will be done.
Because this is the only opportunity for the people of Washer to bring on record all the violations. The road width, the distance between the wire and here, the distance between the project and the cemetery.
But it's also the people's clearance, madam.
इन्स्पेक्शन करूया कित्याक हांव तेंचे कडेन उलयताले की तुमचो कोण आसा काय म्हणून सांगपाक कित्याक इट विल नॉट गो दॅट वी हॅव डन इन्स्पेक्शन इन देयर एब्सन्स नोटीस तांकां दिल्ली आसा.
Their representative is there. That is sufficient.
So आजचे
Yeah, because he is free to give his say.
So आजचे इन्स्पेक्शन फक्त रस्त्याचे जातले.
रस्त्याचे
Rosan, madam, aim is for that cemetery and this.
नो दॅट another time because this
This is a violation.
इतके लोकांक
आज नोटीस
Document
Because your duty as a sarpanch to find out first.
सरपंच बाब
You are having a format where everything is mentioned.
सरपंच बाब आज नोटीस तुमकां खंयचे कितें इन्स्पेक्शन करपाचें येयला.
नोटीस आमकां कंप्लेन येयल्या कित्याक 4 मीटर ती 3 ते 4 मीटर रस्तो आहा म्हणून
3 ते 4
ताका
मीटर
लागून आमी 3 ते 4 मीटर रस्तो आसा काय ना ते आमी त्या डायमेन्शना वीज पळोवपाक येयले.
फक्त
आणि कितें आहा कितें आहा कंप्लेन आणि कितें पॉइंट
number of points of complaint. Total complaint numbers are 9 points.
9 पॉइंट्स आहा न्हू. सो 9 पॉइंट मागीर बाकीचे इन्स्पेक्शन जावंक जाय न्हू.
Catching 1 point. So,
एकूच कशें बाय एक कित्याक
time to save our time and our
पळय इतके लोक येयला पळय.
father is parish priest is here.
Caption
We cannot violate the sanctity of the dead people. People who are dead.
Even I am like tied up by law and regulations.
This is the law. I'm showing you. The
Only know we are talking about.
law is law.
रिटर्न दिला न्हू.
Violation
But I cannot go beyond the complaint.
पूण रेचर लॉ वायलेशन दाखयता जाल्यार तूं आनी टायड अप आनी खंय जाताय तूं.
कंप्लेंट हा न्हू तेचेर सुद्दां आमकां इन्स्पेक्शन जाता. फॉर
मातशे
एक्झाम्पल
पॉइंट्स मिस कितें कितें पॉइंट्स मिस पळय तूं.
Caption multi-value housing project will cause irreversible damage to village environment as the whole village is home at 5 Goa government notified heritage trees which are rich in minerals and widely used for the people for the purpose of drinking and cooking. that the large-scale cutting of trees for the caption 2 building dwelling housing project will cause the groundwater to drop as these are within the catchment area of 5 springs of Oshel, besides causing soil erosion. Okay, the third point, that the construction of large-size septic tank in these 2 captioned projects not only threatens the contamination of the groundwater aquifers, but also the springs water flow, in particular to the project in soil, as it dwelling housing projects do not have the mandatory 6 meters wide right to way road as mandatory under the Goa Land Development Building Construction Regulation 2010, as the existing road width is only in the range of 3 to 4 meters. Therefore, this is a serious violation of law. In this context, we request the village panchayat of Oshel to please conduct an urgent inspection and measure the road width. Fifth point, we also request the village panchayat of Oshel to appoint hydrologist or any other expert of the Goa State Wetland Authority and the Water Resources Department to mark the catchment area of 5 Oshel springs and ensure that no construction is allowed within this area and its periphery. That the garbage generated by the caption 2 projects will cause immense pressure on garbage recycling and disposal. 7th point, that the Public Work Department water supply means PWD water supply has been very irregular and the flow of water very limited for essential use. Therefore, the already stretched water pipeline will be under immense pressure, as each of the captioned dwelling units will have individual swimming pools and therefore cause immense pressure on the water supply infrastructure. For this reason, this captioned housing project license need to be revoked. As these 2 captioned multi-dwelling projects will require substantial power supply for their housing and air conditioning, water filtration, internal street lighting, besides their domestic use, etc. The already stretched electricity power lines will cause immense pressure on the power supply. Then 9th point, none of these multi-dwelling units will utilized by the Oshel Shoalim villagers, and therefore the large influence of the people in our village will cause immense social cultural differences and disrupt the demography of our village. That in the last paragraph, that in the light of the above facts, the undersigned resident of village panchayat of Oshel demands that the construction licenses issued to both the captional project be revoked and appropriate stop work notice be issued as per law in order to safeguard our village environment, as our very survival is at stake.
Not notices, order.
Order.
Stop work order.
Okay. So now इथून असं आपण point as per point वर सांगता.
मॅडम आमचं रिक्वेस्ट करून आयज न्ही सगळे मेजरमेंट कंप्लीट करूया फक्त मेजरमेंट माय रिक्वेस्ट न्हू मेजरमेंट
आम्ही हा न्हू जाल्यार तुमकां आमी एज अ सरपंच म्हणून येता पूण लेट सेक्रेटरी प्रिपेअर फॉर ओन पळय वी विल बी
नो माय वी आर व्हाट
यस आय एम देयर विथ
मॅडम मेजरमेंट करूया 3 मेजरमेंट
बिकॉज डोंट गो एज पर आवर रिकॉर्ड
It is as per your report, no? You have to take out, no? Madam, as a sarpanch, you have
technician or expert. PWD पे काढलेले असा इवन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाक इवन TCP सिनियर टाउन प्लॅनराक पासून नोटीस काढलेली आहे सो इट विल गो एज पर स्टेप बाय स्टेप
सो त्यांचा रिप्लाय येतलो त्यांची नोटीस तसे इन्स्पेक्शन जातले
फॉलोइंग अप इवन माय दिस NGOs will follow up with that application.
Madam, next time you ensure before starting the project, all everything whatever is mentioned you have to take care.
because you are
Next time any project comes, you have to know what.
only regarding the road.
No, the board is not coming under road.
Sorry, the TCP. PWD and TCP is only regarding
okay
the
let's start
As for the
let's start measurement okay let's not waste time let's start a measurement
Who is doing the measurement?
they are official
Okay.
Yeah, they will do.
in the presence of the builder where is the builder representative builder representative is there no?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Madam, RTR 30 days more, na? If it is high, give it to us. Going to give it. By the way, only delaying
तो ये ना म्हणता
काम बंद कर सांग काम बंद करपाचें नाले काम बंद कर सांग तो ऑथरायज नाले काम बंद कर तेका धार घरा कडेन
हात जोडून रावला मरे
काम चालू करपा पळोवपाक आले पळय कोण कॉल करी मागीर परतून येयले हां चालू
has been built on the drain of water.
Yes, yes.
So when the water comes down, right now let's focus on what we have to do. I'm just mentioning in case you want to edit.
But we will find another.
This is an important point.
We will find fresh complaint.
But that has to be made in the...
See, fresh complaint has to be filed, one by the parish priest and one by somebody local can say that drain is blocking. And we can ask the PWD to take action on that. I will help you draft.
त्या पॉइंटाचेर बंद करून जाता काम त्यांचे
आम्ही नोटीस करता
तितले म्हणटा त्यांचे काम बंद जावंक जाय
कायद्यान जाल्यार करतले चालू
on that condition. So what's going to happen in the monsoon is that it is going to be flooded. The water will not get proper access to go down and there will be issues. It's very obvious that it is been done.
व्हाळाचेर न्हू लोकांची घरां म्हणून बांदपाचे उरल्यात आता फक्त आम्ही झगडपाचें काम करता
वाळ हो वयता रे बसून तेकता
30.
आणि 2-3 लाख का लागतो 1.5 लागतो म्हणतो तू एकणार वसून येला तू कोयता वसून त्याला होय होय वर वर
There is some violation.
Beside the